So if k is a real number and k square greater than 0, we have to find the solution set of k. We know that if k is a real number, k square is always greater than or equal to 0. Okay, but here it is given as k square greater than 0, not k square greater than equal to 0. So if it is given as k square greater than 0, okay, that means it is k square is always positive. Okay, so we can say that k square is positive, but k square is not equal to 0. So this implies k is not equal to 0. So this implies k is a non-zero real number. So the solution set is r minus 0, except 0 all real numbers is the solution set of k. So therefore k square greater than 0 implies k belongs to r minus 0. So whenever we are given that k square is greater than 0, that means k is a real number but not equal to 0. So we can say that k is a non-zero real number. K is a non-zero real number. Okay, suppose if we are given k square, greater than equal to 0, then we can say that k belongs to r. Because if k square is greater than equal to 0, that means k can be any real number. Okay, k can be any real number including 0. Okay, so if k square is greater than 0, then we can tell that k belongs to r minus 0, and if k square is given as greater than or equal to 0, if k square is given as greater than equal to 0, then k belongs to all real numbers. So whenever if it is given equal to 0, then we can include the all real numbers. Whenever it is given as greater than 0, then we cannot include the 0 real number. Except 0 real number, all other real numbers is the solution. So for this question, so this will be the answer. Whenever k square is greater than 0, k belongs to r minus 0, or we can also call it as non-zero real number.